Hi there, welcome to Practice Better. In this video, we will go over creating and sharing folders in the Documents section with your clients. First, go to My Practice, Documents. Here you can create a folder by selecting the New Folder icon in the right-hand corner. Keep in mind, you cannot create folders within the preset Practice Better folders. Once you've created your folder, hover over it and select the Manage Sharing settings. This will allow you to share the folder with a specific or multiple clients who have access to the client portal. This is helpful in that you can upload a document once and share it with multiple clients as opposed to uploading it for each individual client. Once the folder has been shared, clients will be able to see the documents shared within the folder. You can manage the sharing settings at any time by selecting the Manage Sharing settings and adjusting accordingly. This concludes this how-to tutorial. Please check out our Help Center for more information and resources.